Today we are going to be learning about executive functions. How many executive functions? 2 of them. In fact, the first one's coming onto the stage right now. The one, the only, working memory! Now, what is working memory? We got 3 of our best philosophers to try and grasp this concept. According to philosopher Dave, I think that working memory means that your memory is working. Dr. David Doctor thinks, I think that working memory means that you can remember both major and minor events in your life. And philosopher Jeff says, I think that working memory means that you can effectively switch from doing one thing to doing another. Now, which one of these do you think is correct? I'll give you a couple seconds. Okay. Now, if you chose philosopher Dave, and if you chose philosopher Jeff, Dr. David Doctor is correct. Think of working memory as this post-it note. And when I tell you something, Stella is the best dog, my dog is better than all of your dogs, it sticks on a post-it note. Now, because you don't care what I think about my dogs, eventually, the thought is going to start to fade away. Because that's your short-term memory. But if we were to do a true fact, like Stella and Betty are the best dogs, my 2 dogs are the best dogs, notice how it stays there, because that is important. I want you to know that my dogs are better than your dogs, and that's important. Now, on to our second one. Flexibility! Wait. That's not the right kind of flexibility. Stop the music. Stop the music. Sorry. Now welcoming flexibility. That's better. Flexibility. Welcome to the show. Now, we got our 3 philosophers again. What is mental flexibility? I think that mental flexibility means that your mind is flexible. I think that mental flexibility means that your mind can do the splits with minimal effort. I think that working memory means that you can effectively switch from doing one thing to doing another. Which one do you think is correct? Now, if you said philosopher Dave, and if you said philosopher Jeff, you're correct! Now, think of working memory as this light switch. Not working memory, mental flexibility. Now, the on switch means you're thinking about math. The off switch means you're thinking about science. And you can effectively flip from math to science to math to science to math to science. See where that kind of goes? And those are our 2 executive functions.